I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Geepas TV to Wi-Fi. First, make sure your Geepas television is turned on and your wireless router is actively broadcasting a signal. Grab your remote control and check that its batteries are working properly. It's also a good idea to have your Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and its password written down or easily accessible before you begin this process. Next, take your remote and press the menu or settings button to open the main menu on your Geepas TV. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the options until you find the network or internet settings. Once you've located it, select this option. Within the network settings, you will then need to choose wireless or Wi-Fi to proceed with connecting to your home network. Now, your Geepas television will scan for and display a list of all available wireless networks in your vicinity. Carefully look through this list and select your specific home Wi-Fi network. After selecting your network, an on-screen keyboard will appear. Use your remote control to accurately enter your Wi-Fi password. Pay close attention to capitalization and special characters to ensure it is entered correctly. Once you have entered your password, the Geepas TV will attempt to connect. A confirmation message will appear on your screen, indicating a successful connection to your Wi-Fi network. If the connection fails, first double-check your password for any typos and try again. For persistent issues, try restarting both your wireless router and your Geepas television, then repeat the connection steps from the beginning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.